urban gardening backpack toolkit, reviewing each product in the toolkit. This video is on the Hori Hori, or digging knife. If you're not familiar with the Hori Hori, it's a Japanese digging knife. Hori roughly means dig, so it's kind of called a dig. If you can dig that. Comes in a scabbard with the snap. It's also got the belt loop if you want to put it on a tool belt. That's pretty handy. I usually just keep it in the scabbard in the backpack. There's a tool pouch with lots of pockets. That's where the tools go. It was very sharp when I first got it, so be careful. I cut myself just taking it out of the packaging. It's dulled slightly from, it's still very sharp, from digging in the dirt. Is going to dull any blade. But it's got a rosewood handle, which is awesome. It reminds me of guitars made with rosewood on the fretboard. So that's a fun item too. It feels good in the hand. It's got the Full-tang like it would with a kitchen knife. It's got the side dealies, so I don't remember what those are called off the top of my head. Like a sword, so you don't slip over into the sharp area. One edge is serrated. I don't know if that shows up on the camera. Serrated edge. Obviously the measuring also, but a flat edge and a serrated edge. So this rips through roots pretty well, root hairs and stuff in pots that are root bound, and this can cut through. Oh boy, I don't know, all kinds of things just for digging and stuff, but you can even cut landscape fabric or sod, rolls of sod with the serrated side, and then the scale in inches and millimeters on the blade is I haven't actually used that very often. I carry a small tape measure that I show in a different video in the backpack. It's just a very small, convenient 10-foot tape measure. A little easier to use this unless you're already out digging with this. It's hard to measure pots with this though. That's why I have the tape measure to measure pots and distances between things. So that is the Hori Hori digging knife for planting, transplanting, bulb planting, just a very versatile weeding, obviously. A lot of weeding. With that tip you can get into the soil pretty deep and pop out dandelions and everything. Use it a lot. Essential garden tool in general, and for urban gardening it's a must-have in your gear bag toolkit JanSport backpack. I'll see you in the next video. This has been AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. We haven't even gotten into yet the Felco tools, the saws, the cutters, and all the wonderful things. Oh, which reminds me, I'm looking at the trowel. I actually don't recommend the trowel. It's somewhat heavy. I just find that I use the Hori Hori most often, and I sort of neglect the trowel. I had it in my backpack for a while and took it out because it's is it the same? It's maybe a little heavier than the Hori Hori, and slightly less useful, looseful. So this is much more versatile, does a lot more for you in as compact a tool as it can be. So Japanese digging knife, Hori Hori, dig on, gardeners. See you in the next video.